I did a video on the Ring doorbell, but one thing was this knocking me, this driving me crazy was I couldn't put a micro SD card in to record locally, and everything had to be to their web, and you had to have a membership. So I went ahead and I went with the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. So I was gonna do separate videos because I have another Wyze doorbell right here. I was gonna do separate videos of these, but I think I'm just gonna do one video and do a comparison between these two, and that's what this is gonna be. This is gonna be a comparison between the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro and then the Wyze Duo doorbell. So this one here was similar to the Ring doorbell. It does not have a micro SD card. Cam Plus, I do like Cam Plus, but again, it's one of them ones that you have to pay for a service unless you're having it completely recording all the time on your phone or tablet or a different Android device, right? I'm not sure if it's the same on Apple. Um, I don't have Apple, so I couldn't tell you about that. I'm trying to see. So yes, it is Apple compatible, right there, Apple and Google Play. But um, I didn't like that. Well, they also have the Wyze Duo Cam that just came out 2 months ago, and that's what this video is going to be about. Um, I have a little install of this. I'm just going to put the install on it, maybe unboxing of it, install, and then I'm going to compare these two right here. Don't miss it. You're gonna want to see the comparisons between these two. It might really change your mind. This is the comparison between these two. They're roughly $10 to $15 apart from each other. This one's like right at $100, and this one's like 115. So, which one should you go for in 2025? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get it unboxed. Let me go ahead and move my keyboard up a little bit here. That way, I give myself room for the unboxing. So here we got it right here. Once again, came in today. I wasn't gonna do it today. I was gonna actually wait until tomorrow, but I don't know. I'm kind of eager to see what the quality is and you know how it compares to the Wyze the Pro doorbell. Because I mean, I really do like the Pro doorbell, but again, like I said, the one feature, man, I really believe that all these companies should do it. That way, if you really don't want to pay for the Wyze Cam or the Ring um, subscription base. So, anyways, here we go. Open it up. Pretty well packed here. I'm backed by Wyze. I will never put that on there. You got your quick start guide, which is also your manual there. You got your battery. Get it out. If I can get it out. Let's go with the chime first. All right, so we get the chime. Chime just plugs in, just like the other one. I was going to show it's down here. So it just plugs in. Just plugs in. So it's a little different of a chime. So the black one is for the Duo. The white one is for the Pro. So a little bit smaller of a design. I kind of do like that. Of course, smaller is always better. So let's put that over to the side. Here's the battery. They're saying that you're supposed to get like 2 months or something out of this battery. You plug it in USB C right here. So there's that. Get up in there. What else we get in here? What is this? The USB C connector right there. So yes, USB A to USB C connector. I don't need that. Mounting hardware, and of course, if you want to uh, hardwire it into your existing doorbell, you can do that as well. And then some 3M double-sided sticky tape. But I don't need none of this in here. I already have my own mounting, everything there. And then let's pull the doorbell out. And what else we got in here? So what I do like is they also give you two mounts. So you got a flat mount, or if your door has an angle to it, you have an angle mount. So there's the angle mount. And so when it's on the door, it sits at an angle instead of flat. So like that right there. So if that's the direction that you want to go, or if you flip it the opposite way, it gives you the opposite angle for it. So you can angle it different directions. And then of course me, where I'm at right now will be the flat mount. So the flat mount, and of course there's your cutout for your if you're gonna hardwire it in. Where on the angled one you have dual wire cutouts to hardwire it into your house. So again, you just drop the battery in and then you go through connecting it. So I'll do all that here in just a little bit because I need to go ahead and take off my other Wyze cam um, before I actually install this one. I wish they had a white. I do like the white. White to me stands out just a little bit more. That way people see it whenever they're walking up to your door. But anyways, you got a camera right here, and then you also got the bottom camera right here. So they are weather resistant, so they don't worry about it being in the water or anything like that. So let me go ahead. I'm going to get it all installed, and we're going to see how this thing looks. All right, so here's going to be a comparison. One thing that I've noticed with the Wisecam Pro is the connection has a hard time. So whenever I come into the app, if I swipe down and let it refresh, then if I open it up and hit play, then I'll go to step 1, 2, 3, and then I'm here. So this right here is the Wyze Pro, Doorbell Pro. Let me go ahead and turn this way. So now this is looking at it vertically, or excuse me, horizontally. So this is the image quality that you get coming out of it. You can come up here and change it. I just changed it to SD. And then let's go ahead and change it back to HD. So you can move it a little bit around your screen. Okay, you can see things. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and back out. We can go ahead and hit the new Doorbell Duo by Wyze. Again, I don't have to refresh nothing. It'll click on it. Let me open it up. I mean, it's a lot quicker. And then to me, this one here has I mean, they're both 2K, but to me, this one has a lot better picture quality. I mean, it's to me a lot crisper. If you notice up at the top, on the top image, look up toward the sky. The sun's not binging in on there like it was on the Doorbell Pro. So I'm just gonna click on here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put it in full view. Again, I can sit here, I can zoom in, and again, you have two different cameras on this one. So the other camera is the ground, so that's where your packages would be. Or say somebody wanted to be a smart butt and they wanted to crawl right here, to break into your house. You have both both cameras that you can deal with that. And then once you turn your phone back, there again, there you go, you have it. They both do event recording. So we can see me coming out here. I'll go ahead and hit play. That's me putting the Wisecam Pro back out there for this video. So again, there it is. Very clear, very crystal clear as that, at that versus to me the Wyze Pro. All right, so I went out there and recorded myself going around the corner. Let's see what happens. So let's go ahead and click on the Pro, the Wyze Doorbell Pro first. Let's go. Well, I don't want live view. I want this view right here. So this is what you should expect. You see that light above me though? See the sun? The sun is like binging really, really hard right now. So now we're gonna do the same thing with the Duo. And see that sun's not binging on me. A lot cleaner of an image for me. A lot cleaner image. I'll go ahead and put them up side by side now. All right, so since we're in the Duo right now, I'll go ahead, we'll go to settings. You have a little bit more in the settings in here. You have voice over IP. This is where you can actually set up where if somebody hits your doorbell, you can actually set it up where it actually calls you instead. You got your detection settings, your motion detection sensitivity. You got a lot of settings in here for this the Doorbell Duo by Wyze here. Your event. I mean, there's so much stuff in here. Not that the Doorbell Pro doesn't have it, but now let's go ahead and go to the Doorbell Pro. We're going to go to the settings, and then here's your settings here. So just the detection or the detection, you don't have as much room and as much flexibility as you do with the Duo. So I really do like this. I like the way how everything is and how much cleaner it is on the Duo versus the Doorbell Pro. So there we have it. That's the Wyze Pro, Doorbell Pro, and the Wyze Duo. They're both Wi-Fi. So the biggest differences for me, and this one I am keeping the Duo. The Duo, I mean, that picture quality is to me double the quality of the Pro. I think either one of these would be nice for anybody. But for just a $10 difference, I think if you can get the Duo instead. The picture quality is really, really good. The Duo also has a memory card slot in it. You can put memory card in here where you have your continuous recording even without internet. This one does not have that. You can record to a device with this one, but you cannot record to a memory card with this one. This one you do. Better, so much better image quality on this one. So I mean, literally, I mean, there is this to me, it's a no-brainer to get the Duo. Now, if something happens and this one was $50 and this one was $120, then I would say, okay, well, depending on what your budget is, then you go with the budget one just to have something which is better than nothing, right? But being that they're only $10 to $15 difference, which one? I say the Duo. The Duo to me is the one that you need to have, hands down. Image quality, 2 cameras. Oh, also, the Duo talks. You can talk, you can create your own custom, in your voice where it's not just the AI or I don't wanna say AI, but the pre-recording voice that's on the robotic sounding voice that's built into the Duo. You can actually change that and create your own. You can create when you're away. You can create so many different things with the Duo that you cannot with the Pro. Both of them come with chimes. Either one you get, they both come with chimes. They both come with different sound profiles. I don't know if you can add extra sounds to them. I do want to try because I'd rather have my own little sound going on, whether it's my little Knight Rider tune or some Smurfs or whatever I want to put over here. I might want some He-Man, Voltron, Transformers. I might want something different. So I'm actually gonna look into that and play around with that. But that's just for me. That's not for a review. But hands down, Wyze, you did really good with this one. This one here, Wyze, man, y'all need to drop this price to at least $60. This right here is worth a $60, $50 to $60 price point for this one right here. But anyways, I'm Thomas of Tomology. Thank you for watching. Go ahead. I'll leave a video up somewhere up here. I always forget what side it's going to be on. Look up one of these videos, whichever side. Tell me if that's worth your hard-earned money. This is well worth your hard-earned money, and it's worth your safety as well. But once again, I'm Thomas of Tomology. Catch you in the next one.